Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. First off, subscribers, guys, thank you so much for answering the question yesterday. You guys, you honestly blew me away by how responsive you were on that, and I just really appreciate the question. I asked you guys if you wanted more of live trades in here, or if you guys wanted me to cover more of the whale metrics and the institutional metrics. It sounds like most people just want both, so I'm gonna keep covering both on this channel. So you guys got exactly what you asked for. Thank you so much for participating in that. Okay, we're gonna go over some news from JP Morgan that is hugely pretty negative news, to be honest with you guys. And then we're going to actually go over the long versus short trades. Do not miss that. Something's happening right now that you can't see on the charts. We're going to go over the long versus short trades. We're going to go over the emotional index of the market right now. We're going to go over the death cross. We're going to go over the long trade risk, the whale support and resistance, and then ending with the whale trades. Where are the whales placing their trades? Let's go over this. Let's have fun. All right, guys. So crypto price alert. JP Morgan issues serious Bitcoin warning as Ethereum, Binance BNB, Cardano, XRP, and Dogecoin lose billions. Oh, I covered yesterday that there was a guy who lost over $8 billion in this downturn. Not fun at all. Okay, listen to this, guys. This is quite aggressive. Despite this week's correction, let me pull this up here real quick. You guys can enjoy this Mercedes ad. Despite this week's correction, we are reluctant to abandon our negative outlook for Bitcoin and crypto markets more generally, the analyst wrote, adding that though there has been some improvement, our signals remain overall bearish. Oh man, that is rough right there. Despite this week's correction, we are reluctant to abandon our negative outlook. Okay, well, coming from JP Morgan, they are reluctant to abandon their negative outlook. Could they be part of the shorts that are coming into the market? Well, let's take a look at the metrics this morning. Every morning, guys, take a look. TradeConfident.io. Make sure you guys go in here. Check this out. I will be charging eventually a monthly membership for this because they're just such amazing data. It helps pay for the data and the time to build all this. But the long versus short trades, look at this. The short trades have drastically increased. We are basically back to where we were at May 17th. The last time this happened at May 17th, there was a 40% drop in the price, okay? I'm not going to sit here and call out a 40% drop. But all I'm saying is I want you guys, and I need you to observe this. There is a drastic amount of short trades coming into the market. Now, it's obviously not the high that we hit over here. This was the highest amount of short trades we have ever seen in the market for this year of 2021, okay? But this is drastically increasing. All right, now follow me here. We're going to keep going through these metrics. The next, the emotional index of the market. We are still in this anxious phase here. So those guys, everyone's sitting down here, we're like, oh my gosh, we've been dropping, we moved up, we're dropping back down. It is still in the anxious phase for everybody. So I want you guys just to be aware of that. This is where a lot of people can start looking to sell very fast. Understanding the emotions of the market is going to give us a better understanding of where we can place our trades, as well as, where is the institutions looking to actually buy your guys' fear or sell your greed. So we're still in an anxious overall market index at the moment. The death cross is still active, okay? We are dipping even further down into the red, and this red is getting higher. This is the 50 and the 200 moving average. It's a very simple chart to look at here. You guys need to be paying attention to this every day. When the green is above the red, this is actually a very bullish sign, but we are currently in a death cross market. The long trade risk. Are you looking to enter long trades or short trades today? Well, here's the risk that you're going to be looking to encounter. At the moment, we are still close to this good long trade section, but we're looking more neutral. Why is that? Because we're in this consolidation period. You guys can see this a little bit on Ethereum too. It's a consolidation period, but more if you wanted to, take this wick out, I could see an argument where someone could draw a channel in here and say we're at the bottom of the channel. This is why the market is a little bit neutral right here. Now, I can guarantee you guys, if we fall out of this channel right here and we start dropping down, that is when a lot of the market's going to start moving into the good long trades or even the great long trades, okay? Let's go over the whale support and resistance and the hidden money. These lines over here, these orange ones, are telling us where all of the money is hidden. Literally, this is true volume statistics and data in here telling us where the whales have placed their money at exactly what prices. So I've been covering this a lot, but 36,000 is a level that a lot of whales and a lot of people have their trades in here. The next high volume node that's giving us a great support is down here at about 31,000. I actually thought, it's funny. You guys go over to here on Bitcoin and you're looking at the overall market and you're like, oh, 30,000, that's structure low. That's where the money is. It's like, no, that's not actually true. You're not seeing the real money unless you're actually looking at volume and real statistic data. The volume actually sits down here at about 31,000. 30,000 is down here at the bottom, which is actually a place where not a lot of volume is placed on the chart. It's actually a low volume node at 30,000. A high volume node is what they call the spikes over here to the left. This is actually sitting around 31,000. So if there's any type of, market bounce. Let me just show you this on Bitcoin real quick because it is going to affect everything else here. Most of the trades, guys, I'm showing you right here, it's at the bottom. It's actually at this structure support and this structure support. It's not at 30,000. Okay, so I'm giving you guys some insider trading techniques of how you can actually view this. So I think if we head back down and this starts crashing on Bitcoin, that 31,000 will be the place where the price spikes. Now, if it breaks down not 30,000, but if it breaks down below 31,000, that's where we can see a very fast drop down here to about 26,000, because that's where the next high volume node, even though it's not that high, it's the highest in this price range where we could see it bounce back up. So yes, a break of 31,000 could be dropping us all the way down here. Sorry if my face was in the way. It could be dropping us down here about 26,000. So let's watch that. Let's take a look though at what are the whales doing? Where are their trades? Where's the smart money placing trades right now? And this is very interesting because they are dropping out their long trades. They're like, nope, we are not placing any long trades anymore. We are drastically reducing them. Now, I had a question from someone yesterday. This was like so smart. Gosh, you guys you're so smart. Seriously, a guy's like, well, can I read this? Is this what this chart's saying? Pretty much he said, when we see orange bars up into this green section, does this mean that they're still going long? Yes, there is still some long incentive here, but you have to realize when these start peaking out here, this is when majority of all of the momentum of smart money is getting in and they are buying. Guys, time and time again, when the fear is really high, they're just going to short you guys, okay? They're going to drop the market down. When your your greed, I think I just mentioned, your greed's really high, they're going to short it. When your fear is very high, this is where the long trades are spiking and they are buying this and they're driving it back up. Like, guys, if you follow just the metrics on tradeconfident.io every morning and you start working with that, not financial advice, obviously, but like seriously, you guys can do so well. All right. So this is showing me that a decrease of long trades are taking place. Once we start getting into the red section here, that is when we need to start being aware, oh my gosh, we might start heading down a little bit. Obviously not freaking out at all. But when we start heading down into this bottom area where historically volume's been very high, and then we start heading back up, that is where, I expect to see drops. This movement right down here. So if we can get this down here in the next few days, I'm not going to be on the charts Saturday, Sunday, or Monday. Me and my wife are actually going off to Pismo Beach. We're having a baby moon because we're having our first baby, which is really awesome. So I'm not going to be on the charts the next few days, but you guys can check this. This will be updated every single day for the market metrics. Watch this. If we dip down into the red section here, this is where I might see a little bit of move up here, but watch out. When we get down to this area, you'll see it before everybody else, but they're going to short this thing. I guarantee you guys, and they're going to drop this price right back down. Again, make sure you guys are checking this and watching the short trades, because if the short trades get back up here like they were before, that is another sign that overall market is going to be shorting in a downward direction. And you cannot see any of this if you're looking at a simple chart. Okay, that's why you guys need to be over there. Let's end the video with this, and then I'll let you guys go. As far as this trade goes, we have not hit the third buy. Yes, I am still in all of these trades. To show you guys, I was down $1,300 the other day. I'm down about, call this $650 right now. So not too bad. Yes, it's still in the negative, going to be honest with you guys. And I do have my buy limit set up in here for 1,558 and then also 1,001. I got in just above 1,000 just to make sure I get there before all the bots try to trigger in at a solid 1,000. So I'm waiting there. We're doing live money on this channel. And I think, I don't know. I was going to say, I think we might, I don't think it's going to head down as far as people think. That's my personal thought on here. I don't think it's going to head down as far as people think, and there is going to be a little bit of a correction, but let's not get emotional or give my own opinions on this. Let's follow the actual statistics and the metrics of what's going on. The trend dashboard is overall negative. That means short trades and retail traders are looking to sell at the moment. Price versus the well, money flow real quick. Money is flowing out of the market. As we can see here, this does positively correlate with the metrics, as well as the trend dashboard is sitting in the middle. If the trend trend dashboard comes down to the bottom red section, this is where I'm looking to see a bounce, which is probably going to happen around that 31,000 level for Bitcoin, which for Ethereum will correlate to right around 1,717. These three indicators, guys, are going up in price July 1st. Make sure you guys snag them, get them on your chart. You guys can enjoy these. Make sure you check tradeconfident.io every single day for the morning market metrics. God bless you guys. Have an amazing, amazing weekend. And I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye-bye.